Matthew chapter 5 from verse 7 with Amplified Classic. Blessed, happy to be envied.
Happy to be envied. They are blessed and they are happy to be envied. Meaning when you envy such a person, you don't just envy them. You envy them with happiness. Not with grief. Hey, come on. Looking at the person who chablile, I'm khalen chablile. Onamon who chablile, ukuthi yamkhalen. Hey, mercy. The beauty of mercy. They look at you. Abakhalele ngomona, bachablile ukuthi bakhalele. Meaning they want to be like you. They want to show mercy like you. You attract them with your character, with your activities. The way you do things is so unique that people, when they look, they are attracted with happiness. Happy. Omkhalele ngegrief and pain. Looking at him on the cross, you are happy. Hey, yo, finally, he's being crucified. He's going to be raised again, back to life. You are happy, you envy him. No sorrow. Oh, Jesus. Happy. You envy what he goes through, knowing that this is mercy. This is mercy. He's not going through this for himself alone, but to show others mercy, to teach us how merciful God is. You can teach people about love, but not yet knowing the mystery of what satisfies love. And people remain with unsatisfied love. They go around pitying people. They can't change the story. What is love? What is love? What is mercy? And who is to be envied? Not anyone. It's not anyone. You can find yourself driving a beautiful car, but if it's with mercy, there's a story behind the car. There's a story behind the house. And the story is called mercy. This person did not deserve these things, but look, he's having them. Mercy. There's a story behind that material thing that you have. Not driving a car that does not have mercy. Not having a house that does not have a story. Having a job that is without a story. You end up idolizing yourself, thinking you deserve it. And that will help you not to be an idol and end up uzithola sewunkulunkulunyana wale moto yakho yalendle yakho yalomsebenzi wakho unkulunkulu. You end up controlling it. Mercy is not personalized. No one says this is mine, it's ours. The moment you personalize, it shows the kind of love that you have. You are being exposed that you are unsatisfied in your love. Let's go.
Blessed, happy to be envied, and spiritually prosperous.
Spiritually prosperous. You see this time, now you end up thinking it's the man of God who's not playing his role. It's your character. It's your character. The man of God is playing his role fully, feeding you the way, but you are blocked here. You show mercy. Because there's no spiritual prosperity without this. Mercy. Mercy. Let's go.
Blessed, happy to be envied, and spiritually prosperous.
Happy to be envied. Ujabulela ukumkhalela. Shoot no more ukhola ungena lapha. Ujabulela lethu ukumkhalela because every time now umbheka uyabona time. Ya hayi khona. Lo uNkulunkulu asumsebenza umuntu lo. Awubona umuntu, ubona uNkulunkulu. Hayi lo uNkulunkulu lo. Mina noma ufuna ukudoubt. Inhliziyo yakhe ithi unamanga. Noma usasana kuhlebela athi mhlawumbe uthakile inhliziyo yakhe unamanga. Ubonile umusa kaNkulunkulu. Umbonile uNkulunkulu amphakamisa phambi kwakho. Right?
Blessed, happy to be envied, and spiritually prosperous, with life joy.
With life joy. With life joy.
With life joy and satisfaction in God's favor and salvation.
Hey, satisfaction. The love is satisfied with mercy in God's favor and salvation. It's satisfied through showing mercy. Let's go.
With life joy and satisfaction in God's favor and salvation, regardless of their outward condition.
Regardless of their outward condition, what they go through. You don't look at the outside this time. You must be able to see from within. Now Jesus on the cross, outside, not seeing the mercy that completes his love on the cross. So it means no matter what you go through, no matter what you face, as long as you carry mercy, no, they will look at the outside. They will miss their joy, they will miss their blessings, they will miss sharing with you in God's mercy. And then oh, let's go.
With life joy and satisfaction in God's favor and salvation, regardless of their outward conditions, are the merciful.
Hey. Meaning their outward condition is bad. They look like they are dying. They are blind. Some are possessed. Jesus meets with them. Outside condition is not pleasing. Impuputhe na ejabulisa ivale kamehlo. Nabambheka bathi, "Oh akaboni shem." Babheke outside. Jesus comes with mercy to show complete love. Spiritual prosperous. You might pray without such. Fasting without being spiritually prosperous. Uzile ufaste marumenda wonye. Without experiencing the greatness of God. Uphelele in that level. Meaning you are not promoted to another level because of this issue. Do you complete? Do you satisfy love with mercy? Is your love blind? Or does your love see? They say love is blind, but with mercy, love can see. Love can see. Now, the moment mercy comes in, no, love is no longer blind. Love can see now. Now love can see. This does not qualify. Why? You have went beyond the baby steps of love. You went to mercy, where outside appearance does not work. You are not blinded by what you see. Because Because you look at the outside, you're like,
Ngoba ubheka kwangaphandle
you
ngamehlo.
begin to be blind.
Bese uyaqala ke
Mercy opens your eyes to see
Hawu,
within.
lamehla ukuthi khona ukubona ngaphakathi.
Within.
Bona ngaphakathi.
So the moment there's mercy, I go beyond your outside appearance.
Ngiya okungaphezu kwaloko
I can
ubheka
see
wakho
your heart.
kwangaphandle kodwa ngikhona ukubona inhliziyo yakho.
Whether do you carry true love
Ukuthi ngabe uphethe uthando
Are you
leqiniso na?
satisfied
Wanelisekile
or
na?
unsatisfied?
Noma awwaniselekanga.
Now you go, you take.
Bese uyahamba ke manje uyathatha.
Outside they look good, but their hearts are not satisfied.
Kodwa inhliziyo zona cha
Love is blind. Mercy.
Uthe
I
umhawu
can see your heart.
ngiyabona inhliziyo yakho.
Your desires are not of God.
Inkanuko zakho akusiza.
You don't desire God. No, no, no.
Awulangazeleli uNkulunkulu.
You are desiring earthly things.
Kodwa wena unenkanuko yezinto
You
zezwe.
are desiring to be seen.
Ulangazelela ukuthi
By
ubonwe.
people.
Bonwe ngabantu.
You want attention.
Ufuna ukunakwa.
What more when you appear
Kangakanani mawuvela?
with the outside that is not pleasing,
ngaphandle okungathokozisi.
but mercy locates you.
Kodwa umhawu uthola.
People say you are blind, you are
Abantu
this.
bathi uyimpuputhe
But
uyilo.
God going beyond.
Kodwa uNkulunkulu aya
They say you are a
okungaphezulu.
prostitute. Jesus says, leave her on my feet.
uJesu wathi
Outside she's a prostitute, but inside
ngaphandle uyisibhebe kodwa
I can see
ngaphakathi
love.
ngikhona ukubona
I can see
uthando.
somebody I need to satisfy.
Khona umuntu edinga
Mary Magdalene comes with demons. Jesus says, leave her.
uJesu uthi miyekeleni.
This one will be the one who carry my message.
Lona kuzoba nguye lo phatha
This
umlayezo
one will
wakhe.
be the one who go to preach
Kuzoba nguye lo hambayo
and tell
shumela.
them about my resurrection.
Abatshele ngokuvuswa kwami.
He will be the first apostle
Uzoba umpostoli wokuqala
before the disciples.
ngaphambi kwabafundi.
It's dangerous.
Kuyingozi.
You cannot claim to have love
Angeke uze uthi unothando.
if you don't satisfy your love with mercy.
Uma ngabe ungaphelelisi uthando lakho ngomhawu.